Right, so far we have developed this ladder, this procedural ladder, which we can change the height like this, and it will adapt to the height with the amount of crossbars needed, and also we can update the number of crossbars we need to, like this, by changing the gap. And okay, so today we are going to implement actually how to go near the ladder and how to get on that and move on it. So alright, first let's open the ladder blueprint, and then let's go here and add a collider like this. Let's call it ladder start. Let's place it like this. Okay, now here let's define a new blueprint interface, PPI climber, set ladder. So this must have an input in the type of ladder, and then let's open our third person character, the usual third person character, and here let's implement climber interface like this, and set ladder event, let's implement it like this, and then let's define no, not a boolean. Let's promote this to a variable, call it ladder, well, now I need to do some modification. So this should be, this collider should be as in the same size as the ladder. So as in here, can you use the same function? Yeah, I think so. Let's use another adjust sidebar, and let's insert the ladder start. This should be a static mesh. Okay, what if I turn this into a scene component? It should still work. Yeah, okay, now I can just apply this and compile. Right, but the height is wrong. Why is that? The reason is, in the scale of this collider, 1 means, 1 doesn't mean 100, it means only 75 units. So therefore, to avoid that problem, what if I use a cube? And yeah, here 5 means, okay, this cube is correct. So instead of the collider, I'll use cube ladder start. I'll call it ladder collider, and I don't need its visibility in the game, so I'll disable it. I'll remove the and then the collider overlap all dynamic, and in here I'll give it like this and compile, so it will have the same height as the ladder. Now I'll remove the visibility of that, and here on component begin overlap, I'll call set ladder on that component, and I'll give self as the ladder reference, and when I move away from the ladder, I should remove that reference, otherwise I would be able to climb onto the ladder from a further distance. So on component end overlap, set ladder, I'll set none as the ladder. Right, now I have this ladder climbing animations. I'm going to enable root motion for this. That doesn't look right. Right, so I have fixed the animations. So I have enabled, so this is for climbing, and I have enabled root motion as well. This is for climbing at the top. Alright, so now let's go here, and in the set ladder I'm gonna do this, and then when I press the jump, well, let me take it here so that I can have some space. Right, then here let's do a is valid node like this. If we have a valid ladder, if we don't have a valid ladder, I'll do a jump, otherwise I'll do this. I'll define a custom event, let's call it grab ladder, and I'll call it here. So I'll define a new variable like this on ladder. I'll set it to true, and then I'll set movement mode of the character to flying, because we should be able to climb up against gravity. So therefore I have to set it as flying, and then I'll play any montage. So let's create an anime montage from this climbing ladder. So here I'm going to divide these to two sections. First one is of course the default one, and then let's create a montage section end. So I'm going to loop the ending part, so it would be like this. Character will start climbing and stay there, so I don't need this shaking part. Therefore I'll move this to the edge. Like this. Okay. Alright. Then let's play this montage like this. Wait a minute. This is not the way I want to play the montage. Get then play anime montage. Right, this is the node I want. And then we need to set up the animation blueprint to support montages. So let's set default slot like this. Now it will support montages. Okay, now here, so first I'm going to disable this movement input while I am on the ladder. So let's add a branch. If I am on ladder, no input movement inputs. Right. And then, so what is the location my character should be in order to properly match with the ladder? Okay, let's see. Let's go to the ladder, and can I see this? let's add a skeletal mesh. Okay, it should be in this position, minus 47. Right, mesh reference. So I'll copy this location and remove this. Then let's add a scene component, character location, and paste. Now here let's get the capsule, component 2, the current ladders, character location, get the character location and get its world transform. Location is this and rotation is this. Okay, and play this montage once. Oh, we got an error. We have to compile this. Right, now let's see what happens. Okay, something is happening. What is it? Okay, this should be plus. Oh, right, this should be rotated 180 degrees. Okay, to prevent going down, instead of, let's do it like this. Let me break this and split. So let's use only the X and Y component from this and get actor location, split, use the Z, same as this. And to prevent rotation part, I think I can here, let's add, insert some frames at the end. Let's add 100 frames. Okay, now there are only how many frames? 23 frames. Okay, now in here let me recreate this. No, let me what's the length of this one? .96 seconds. Okay, so this should be 3.9. And this second section should start at right after the 23rd frame, so that we won't have the problem of flying away, I think. Let's see. Yeah, okay, alright. Actually that flying away thing happened because I was looping the end part, and this at this end part there is slight root motion change, root location change, and because of the looping part, that change is applied over and over again, so that's why character was flying away, rotating. And here let's add a montage notify. Okay, and then on notify begin, let's check get forward, move forward value, and if then this one is larger than 0, let's do a branch. If this is larger than 0, I'll play this montage again. Otherwise I'll add a delay and check the condition again. Nothing happens. What's that? Alright, notify is not added. Add notify, montage notify, like this. Okay, so right now we need to implement how to exit from the ladder. Now the start climbing part is alright. We can move this montage notifier closer to this so that we wouldn't experience that delay. Right. Next part is how to get out of the ladder. So to do that, I'll cover in it in the next episode.